Hey everybody, welcome to today's daily draw. Today we are drawing Licking Tongue with licky tongue.
Licking tongue.
No, it's licky tongue or ticky
Licky
if you're
tongue.
Miss Spoonerism it. No, so today we're drawing Licky Tongue, which means of course we're going to be talking about the advantages of credit unions. Okay, no, dead serious though. Y'all get yourself a local credit union. Like I cannot explain to you just how much better
so
small
much
businesses
better
are than too big to fail banks. Because okay, so Brittany and I got married last year, and we went into a little bit of debt for the wedding. And the only place that would give us a card was am I allowed to say it?
Yeah, it was Chase Bank.
It was Chase Bank.
JP Morgan Chase Bank.
The too big to fail bank that, went ahead and gave us a 24% APR, which, if you don't know what that means, it means 24% of our loan was added on as interest, and since it was APR, that interest that was added on was counted as part of the loan, so every month that was also part of your
And I ran
interest.
that thing up with table payments for these conventions. When each table's $1,000, you run that thing up quick.
Right. So we've been, keeping up with our monthly payments on this card, but not getting out of debt. So we were just at our local credit union talking to them, and they, about something completely different that I will talk about in a different video at some time. So we were talking to them about something, and someone just mentioned in passing that they can, take over your credit cards and give you better APR because they are not a large corporation bank that's trying to bankrupt America. They are a small, locally owned and run business that
it's in
about
Utah. There's a single branch in
Nevada.
And a single branch in Arizona, I think. But it's Utah.
Yeah, but so highly recommend, and from the bottom of my heart, thank Mountain America Credit Union because by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I just really feel
I just like my credit union.
I like my credit union, and I'm so thankful to them. And I feel like if anyone is in our position where they feel like they can't even get past the interest on a credit card, please go find a local credit union and see if they can do a takeover loan for you, because it legitimately, we are down to 11.2%, and it's not accruing interest, it's just
and he set up a payment plan and gave us a real get out of debt plan.
And
it was
talked
really
through
great
with us how to work on rebuilding my credit and everything. It was phenomenal. Anyway, so there's Licky Tongue.
Yeah, Licky Tongue, a Pokemon, the credit union Pokemon.
The credit union Pokemon. Happy banking, guys. Stay safe.
Stay out of Chase Bank.
Please do that. Yes. Also, have a good day. Okay. Bye.